Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can do or enable conference call in your Moto G85 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your phone call app, and here you have to type any of the number like this and click on call. You have to click on more and click on add call. Just click on add call and you have to enable this, and you can see on hold when it is enabled, and you can see it is in on hold now. When you just enable it, it is in conference call. Here it is, just merge this, click on merge, and you can see conference call is enabled. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.